So what we see is as we're teaching children to sign using that combination of using those vocal models and teaching the sign, generally we'll get an increase in babbling. And children with a babbling repertoire and now who are developing the capacity for some imitation often develop vocalizations through that use of simultaneous request and sign language training. So in the case of Winston, I mentioned that we graph our behavior and Winston's behavior. So on this graph, on the horizontal axis, we have treatment days, and on the vertical axis, we have the number of requests or commands per day that Winston is emitting. That dark blue line signifies the prompted requests. Those are the ones that the staff are actually guiding his hands or in some other way prompting him to produce. And then the pink line is showing how many independent requests that Winston's able to produce. So these are things where he sees an item and wants it and is able to sign for it independently. So you can see around March 9th, he's got about 250 prompted and 250 independent requests. And this was about the time that he started vocalizing while signing.
Bubbles.
Bubble.
Get him, Winston. Pop, pop.
Bubble.
You gonna pop him? Pop.
And you can see that this vocalization sounds pretty good. Winston's producing a consonant vowel combination for the word bubble. It sounds pretty clear, but it's a very easy syllable shape. Another strategy that Nancy has promoted and that I found to be very effective with children with autism spectrum disorders is reduplicating the syllable. Nancy calls it an auditory contrast cue. So if someone's having trouble saying mommy, then you could try having them say me, then me, and then mommy. And this can be quite effective. This little gentleman here is going to show us this with the word potty.
Potty.
Tim. Titi.
Titi.
Potty. Potty.
Potty.
Potty. There you go, potty. You did it. How about a spray?
And you can see with this little guy too, he's pulling at the cards. He wants to see the picture. Seeing the picture has been correlated with reinforcement in the past. So what's neat about applying the reinforcement this way is that for many children, seeing the picture actually becomes reinforcing.